Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Altima and I will show you how to enable or disable the side mirror blind spot warning. This video should apply to 6th generation of Nissan Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now first I will explain what blind spot warning is. So pretty much each of the mirrors on this vehicle will have like a small light just here on the side, and if there is a vehicle in your blind spot, that light will illuminate, letting you know that it's not safe to merge into the other lane and to let you know there is a vehicle in your blind spot. So this can be quite helpful, so you don't have to turn your head every time you want to change lanes, but I still do it. That's just an old habit, so it's up to you if you want to use it or not, but in this video I will show you how to engage it. So you will be using these menu buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, and you will be looking at this small screen in the middle of the instrument cluster. So you want to scroll through the menu options all the way to the right, all the way until you reach this settings button, and then you want to scroll down to driver assistance, press OK, and then you want to again scroll down to blind spot and press OK again. And here you can enable it or disable it. Right now it's enabled. If I press OK here, you see this on button will gray out. That means it's disabled. But it's always a good idea to have it on because it's quite nice feature actually on these vehicles. And here you can also select the brightness of that light, so standard, bright or dark. It's also up to your preference. When you're done, you can just press the back button. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.